is a lower number than what's down. So, that's what it is. So then I'm going to all right, I'm going to add an event, key down, right. I'm going to call this move right. And then I'm going to paste my code. I'm going to, okay. So I'm going to change my minuses to plus here because we're going right. So we're always going towards the right, which is increasing on our x-axis. So x plus fly speed. And then what we're also going to do is we're going to do something kind of sneaky here. Instead of if it's greater than 0, what we're going to do is we're going to say if it's less than room underscore width. And what that does, so again, if x plus, so size of sprite plus sprite x offset is under room width. So what this means is, basically it's saying like, if we're not against the edge of the room, then go right when the right key is down. And why you do room underscore width instead of just, I think our width is at 1024, is that what if you make your level bigger? So we want it to be, what if I decide that I want to scale my game up and have it be 2048? I would have to go back into this code and type 2048, or else it would just stop in the middle. Or I could say room underscore width, and then suddenly my game is scalable. So that's cool. Now I'm going to go to my up. I'm going to copy this code. C. I'm going to add key down. And then I'm going to move down. And then I'm going to y plus, because remember, going towards the bottom is increasing. Y plus, sprite underscore y offset. And then just like room height, we want to go, or room width, we want to go room underscore. And you see there, GameMaker is helping us. And then we want to go plus. And then that's that. All right, so now we need to create another object. And we're going to create an object called player laser. Sprite player laser. So that we can go to add event. And this time, instead of key down, because if we do key down, it'll just keep creating. We want there to be like a fire pace. So we want to make it key pressed, which means when the key goes down. So we want to keep letters, and we're going to be Z. Okay. So again, if we go back to our create setup variables, now we're going to have, you see here, we're saying that the space bar should also do whatever Z is doing. Okay, so that's us mapping this also to space bar, because a lot of people use like space bar as a firing thing. So we're going to go here. We want to put in our description fire laser, fire the laser, and then instance underscore create underscore layer. And what that means is we're going to create object on a layer. So we're going to put x, y, and layer, and what that means is that it's going to create at our x coordinate, our y coordinate, and our layer. Meaning that like you're going to create it right on top of yourself. The ship is going to create this other object on top of itself. So it's going to create it at its x coordinate, its y coordinate, and on its layer. And then what is that object? That's why we put in obj player. I could have sworn I created a... Oh, okay. I gotta call it obj player laser. See why good naming is good? Obj, now it's gonna save. There. See, now obj player laser. So I click that, it does it, parentheses, semicolon, and that's it. So what it's going to do is now it'll create, so if I play this, oh, wait, duh. I didn't put my object in my room. So it's going to do a whole lot of nothing right now. I mean, it'll build, but it'll just be an empty, vast space. But it's going to build anyway. So at the bottom, what you're seeing is an output window. And what that's doing is, you know, when you build something in GameMaker, it actually like takes time to build. It's not like you're playing it. Oh, that's what's going on. Here we are. See, vastness of space, the final frontier. All right, so now what I need to do is I actually need to put my obj player ship in my room. Okay, what are you taking so long for? Boop, boop. Oh, okay, there we go. I'm gonna go into my room, take my ship, put my ship in my room. Now I can run it and it'll actually do something. Waiting for it to output. Again, this can take a little bit based on just, you know, okay, here we go. So now I am going to see I can move my ship around. For some reason it's not. It's not doing the up and down very well. All right, the other thing you can notice here is that I can create these lasers, but they're not actually doing anything yet. And then for whatever reason, my up and down movement's not working. So let me go back and look at that. It's going to close out. I'm going to wait for it to close out, and I'm going to put it into my, once I can access my stuff again. Ah, here we go. Okay. Move up. Sprite offset. Oh, I know why it was doing that. Because I think it create set up variables 10. For whatever reason, it was starting in the middle of the screen, and that was screwing it up. Well, real quick, let me set up my object player laser. So I'm going to create, and I'm going to call this set variables. I'm going to do laser speed equals 10. Now I'm going to do a new type of event, and it's going to be called step. And what a step does is it is where what steps do is that it's like what you would call in other programs an update function, which means like every frame of animation do something. So we're going to call this one move laser, and then inside move laser we are going to do y equals y minus laser speed. So basically, you know, every frame of animation go laser speed number of pixels, which I think is 10. And then if y is greater than 0, curly brace, instant, or y is less than 0, sorry, instance underscore destroy ID true, close curly brace. And what this does basically says if y is less than 0, meaning that it is above the top of the screen, so it's a coordinate -1. For example, instance destroy means destroy myself and destroy like this one instance. So don't destroy all lasers on the screen, just destroy this laser that I am right now. And then so what that's going to do is if I go to my room and I have okay. If I play my room now, and then it's going to load, it's going to, you know, build itself. Now hopefully, for whatever reason, I don't know why my my playership started so high. That's really weird. So maybe I wrote something wrong in my script. But it shouldn't be starting up where it did. So let's see what happens when I open this up again. It should just start in place. Ah, there it goes. Perfect. All right. So now, see. Ah, shoot. No. It got stuck again. That's weird. But now, at least, when I fire my laser, pew, 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 pew. See, I can go left. I can't go off the side of the screen. For whatever reason, I can't go up and down right now. But I can fire my laser, and it goes pew, pew, pew. Great. All right. So let me go. Oh, it's not moving because it's coming off of the, there we go. Great. Move up. All right, so I'm going to try to fix this code. Up is over y minus, y minus. Y offset. Okay, move down. Ah, that's why. Okay, this should be less than. Okay, see what can happen. Now it'll work. All right, so I'm at time. I'm a little past time, but I'm at time. I started late. So thank you for watching. I'm going to continue this probably tomorrow morning. So, you know, if you're online, come and watch me make some enemy ships. All right. Thanks. Bye.